In this video, we will discuss the concept of oil refining. Oil refining is a process of converting crude oil into more useful products such as gasoline, diesel fuel, and heating oil. Crude oil is a complex mixture of hydrocarbon that must be separated and refined to produce a range of products that meets the needs of different markets. The refining process typically involves several stages. Let's discuss these stages one by one. Distillation. Crude oil is heated and vaporized in a distillation tower, where it is separated into different fractions based on their boiling points. The lighter fractions, such as gasoline, are distilled off first, while heavier fractions such as diesel fuels and heating oils are distilled off later. Conversion. Some of the heavier fractions may undergo further conversion processes such as cracking or reforming to breaking down larger molecules and produce more valuable products. Treatment. The various fractions are treated with chemicals to remove impurities such as sulfur and nitrogen and to improve their performance and quality. Blending. The different fractions are blended to produce a range of products that meet specific market requirements. Thus, the refining process requires significant energy and resources, and the products must meet strict environmental and safety standards. The refining industry is highly regulated, with a range of national and international standards and regulations governing the production, transportation, and sale of petroleum products. The industry is also subject to significant market forces, including fluctuations in crude oil prices, changes in consumer demand, and competition from alternative energy sources. With this, we come to the end of this video.